Hi friends, we're back at it again. Ever think of making a pitch for an ad using a storyboard, but drawing isn't your forte? Thanks to AI, creating storyboards is easy, even for, well, let's just say even if you're not exactly Leonardo da Vinci. Freepik Picasso is here to help. New to it? No worries. Check out the link in the description below to access this awesome sketch-to-image tool. Sometimes bringing your ideas to life can be a challenge, but you'll learn that sketch-to-image in real time is child's play. With a few handy tricks, you'll be a pro in no time. So, let's do this. Our first quest, cracking the storyboard code. We'll be seeking inspiration to build a storyboard for the launch of a brand new epic adventure video game. Don't worry, there's no frame limit. We want our story to shine. So we'll be following our tiny hero Mark through 6 action-packed scenes in his adventure. You can explore any art style that fits the brief. Okay, open the sketch-to-image AI tool. Here's the template for keeping our little buddy Mark looking sharp throughout his adventure. And storyboard, black and white, pencil drawing, comic art style. This sets the scene. Plus character description. This is going to tell us what Mark looks like. Plus emotion and how he's feeling. And plus action and what he's doing. Plus context. Where is he? Once you've written your prompt, it's drawing time. Don't worry if you're not the best at drawing. Trust me, I can relate. Even icons and simple shapes can work wonders in telling your story. You can arrange icons with the to front and to back buttons, just like this. Take your time. Ready to explore a wider range of results? Play around with the imagination level. Setting it to 80% might surprise you. Just try it. Did the imagination level affect your creations a lot? Let us know in the comments. Also, remember to keep your character consistent. That's really important in creating a believable story. The prompt template is our compass. Rewriting it a lot is not needed. If you feel good about your sketch, try to hit the Enhance tool. Look at how those details pop. If you want to try even more variations, hover the image and click on Reimagine this image. Choose the Wild Imagination option and then on Reimagine. Now you have a great variety of styles just from one image. Use these tips to conquer all your storyboard frames. Once you've got your rough sketches looking good, you can polish them up with Freepik's built-in editor. Look for a storyboard template at freepik.com. You have plenty of examples. For example, this one is a perfect choice. I'll leave the download link below. Finally, our storyboard is finished. Don't be afraid to play around and add some new scenes if inspiration strikes. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates straight from Freepik's Vault. See you next time.